Here is the Shotcut home page. The link is appearing on the screen and will also be in the description. Click on the red download button. It automatically indicates your operating system. But it is possible to download to other platforms as you wish. It has 2 repositories, choose the one you like best. In the video example, I'm going to choose repository 1. When I click, I'm redirected to the destination site, in this case FossHub. By default, after a few seconds it opens the window where I want to download the program. I choose the folder that is best. Once downloaded, you can close the browser. Double-click on the program to start the installation. If you ask for permission to install, you can click Yes. Now accept the terms and advance the page until you reach the button to install program. If you want to create a shortcut on the desktop, check the option that I show in the video. Installation progress is simple and is usually fast. Once installed, run the program and wait for the first boot to load. This may take a while. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and check out other videos available.